369 Heart Chakra Law of Attraction Meditation. Welcome to the 369 Law of Attraction Heart Chakra Meditation. In this ride, you will be guided to stimulate your heart energy to generate waves of attraction for you to bring to your life what you desired and repel what you don't want in your life. We will start by cleaning your lungs from stagnant air and guide you with breathing phases of relaxation. We're going to start the guided meditation now. Please sit in a comfortable position with your back straight and your eyes closed. Remain aware of your breathing, the inhalation and the exhalation. Place your hands on your chest area. Feel how your lungs expand and contract your ribs. There is stagnant air in your lungs. We're going to exhale all toxic stagnant air from your lungs by compressing the belly and chest area, emptying your lungs completely. Breathe deep and exhale long, compressing up your stomach area and slowly exercising some pressure on your chest, emptying your lungs completely. Feeling that your ribs are touching your back. 1, 2, 3. Breathe deep and retain the breath with that fresh air for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Exhale long and see the energy flowing in front of you, coming from your heart center. Remain aware of your breathing, the inhalation and the exhalation. That energy is like water, like waving water. It is waving outwards to repel as a protective boundary. We are going to reverse the energy waves so the waves start flowing inward. Imagine those aspirations, objectives, or things that you would like to attract. It could be anything: love, money, abilities, anything. Having those images around you, exhale long, emptying your lungs completely and retaining the lungs contracted for a count of 3. Then exhale and retain the breath for a count of 6. Ready? Imagine all you want around you and exhale long, compressing up your stomach area and slowly exercising some pressure on your chest, emptying your lungs completely. Feeling that your ribs are touching your back and retain 1, 2, 3. Breathe deep. Retain the breath for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale and become aware of your breathing, the inhalation and the exhalation. Objects you want continue coming closer while what you don't want goes away. See the energy flowing even stronger and waving in front of you. All happiness of all you desired is right beside you, energetically tied to your heart center. Feel the bliss. Let's do it again. This time we're going to retain the lungs empty for a count of 6. Inhale and retain the breath for a count of 9. Ready? Feel the energy waves like water waving inward. Imagine those aspirations, objectives, or things that you would like to attract. Could be anything: love, money, possessions, abilities. absolutely anything. Imagine all you want around you and exhale long, emptying your lungs completely. Feel how all things you want come toward you, floating in waving energetic waters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe deep. Retain the breath of a count of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exhale long, seeing the strongest energy of the universe exploding in your head. All that bliss and happiness you have ever desired is in a state of sovereignty. There is nothing around you. There is nothing above you. There is nothing below you. There is no gravity, no forces influencing you. Just you in the middle of nothingness. Aware of your existence in the eternity.